What is up, Stam fam? It is 12:20 a.m. and none of us have anything better to do on a Monday night other than to go riding. So me, Mr. Light Mode, and Moto Turtle are all going out for a little late night ride, and our first stop we'll be making is at McDonald's because I'm starving. We're going to this specific McDonald's because the guy who works there, his name is Sagar or Cigar, I don't really know how to pronounce it. He's our biggest fan and he's always been super nice when he sees us. Anyways, to cut to the main topic, I have a pretty big announcement to make. As of 2 months ago, so really I'm like 2 months late with this, but whatever, I decided to quit my day job. And that was a pretty big deal for me. I've been pretty unhappy with doing what I was doing, so announcing this right now definitely puts a smile on my face. I'm not going to go into too much detail about it right now. I wouldn't want to jinx myself and have it not work out for me. But the biggest thing that you all should take away from this is now that I have no day job, I'm going to pursue YouTube more full time. That being said, I'm going to be posting 2 videos a week, maybe 3 if the week isn't too jam-packed. And yeah, I'm still in a transition period right now, trying to figure a few things out, but I'm excited. Now, if things don't work out months down the road, that's completely fine. At least I know I tried. But what definitely is working out for me is the sponsor of today's video, Raid Shadow Legends.
You've heard me talk about this game before, and I'll say it again because this game is still the talk of the town in 2019. Available on both iOS and Android, Raid Shadow Legends has over 200,000 reviews and pretty much a 5-star rating on the App Store. Not to mention, the best part of it, it's completely free. It's got everything you'd hope for in an RPG. A good storyline, great 3D graphics, boss fights, PvP battles, and hundreds of champions to collect and customize. This game is gaining traction quickly, and the highly anticipated update just went live. They've implemented a rewards program for new players so you can get daily login rewards for the first 90 days in-game. I personally love this game because it has a PvP system. That's always been the biggest part for me when it comes to RPGs. But if you're looking to just play for the storyline or to collect, then this game's got that covered too. Don't just take my word for it though, give it a try yourself. Click on the special links down below in the description and you'll get 50,000 silver and a free champion as part of the new player program to start your journey. Of course, you can find me in-game as well under Stan the Mono Man if you want to add me. And really, big thanks to Raid Shadow Legends for sponsoring this video yet again. Now, let's get back to the motovlog.
Hey, what if we do that next level of rolling shots where we put a DSLRs around our neck and then we go on the highway and we just snap, 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 snap. Oh, fuck that.
On the highway? I don't think we have to go on the highway.
But it's empty, dude. We got like miles and miles and miles, so it's kind of easy. That's true.
I guess so. Dude, I'm scared, man. I don't want to drop my camera.
I'll do it.
With my camera?
Yeah, I'll drop your camera.
Alright, so we're going to eat some McDonald's first, because I'm pretty hungry. And then we're going to figure out where we're going, and I'll continue what I was talking about earlier. Saga! He's probably working, man.
Probably. Where do you think? Granville Island?
Hey, what's up, Sagar? You're on the video, man. So we're just chilling at McDonald's now. Got
Number one fan.
I forgot Tommy doesn't show his face. 10-piece nugget meal.
Try and eat in peace.
What'd you get here, man? What'd you get?
What happened? Double cheeseburger.
Double cheese.
Yeah, dude.
He's got a 10-piece chicken nugget meal.
I think I come here like once every
Sagar.
week.
Sagar. Coolest McDonald's worker right there.
It's almost 2 o'clock. Oh my god, is it really? We spent 2 hours at McDonald's?
You're choking me. That's funny. Are you trying to power up that whole ramp?
I don't think I'll do it. No.
No, you can't, man. That's tough. I can help push you though. Here, one second.
No, it's okay. Clean that.
Oh, you just wanted to put it here?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought you were gonna go all the way up.
Take the B-roll.
Take the wheel? Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
You sure you don't want to get pictures of your bike right now?
Yeah, it's fine. Don't worry about it.
My keys are in my bike and my cell phone's on there.
Cool.
Yes! Okay, so I gotta wait for that yellow light to come on, right? Then I wait 3 seconds until it disappears.
Yeah.
Nice. See you guys in a bit.
Yeah.
Okay, so I wouldn't be able to really vlog while I was there. So Moto Turtle was gracious enough to let me use this fuel for a little bit. And I love riding this thing, so I'm not going to complain. I'll use it. I kind of forgot where I left off because it's been like a 2-hour gap already. We stayed at McDonald's a lot longer than we thought. But basically what I was saying is I quit my job, so YouTube is going to be my top priority from now on until I either succeed. From there I would obviously keep doing YouTube, or until I fail. So this is going to be a big venture for me, guys, and I'm excited to announce it. I'm also obviously a little scared, but all I know is I'm looking forward to see what's going to happen here. I've been thinking about trying YouTube out for a while. The biggest thing for me was always just seeing the numbers. You know, obviously There are some videos I post that aren't doing as good as others. At some point during this whole YouTube journey, I feel like I somewhat typecasted myself almost to, you know, people would only watch my videos if I had a girl in it. And I get it, you know, my viewership, by the way, this is me being as completely honest as I can. My viewership is about 80% males and 20% females, which is a lot better than it was, you know, 2 years ago where it was 90-10. And don't get me wrong, I love riding with new people. I love riding with all the people that I've ridden with. And it's no surprise, you know, most of you guys are always asking for Lillian. And the biggest thing I could say about that is I completely understand where you guys are coming from, because Lillian herself, she is genuinely a really, really nice person. And I honestly don't blame you guys for feeling the way that you guys feel. But at the same time, you guys have to understand that I can't have Lillian in every single video. If anything, she deserves to have days off where she's not put in front of a camera. And that's all I'm gonna say about that. Basically, the biggest thing here for me is quitting my day job and just trying to do this full time. So I hope you guys have my support on this, because it's going to be a very interesting few months coming up to see whether or not this is working out for me. For the meantime, we're just going to be chilling over here and taking some pictures.
A few moments later.
Literally 2 minutes passed and we're getting kicked out already. It's great. Not to mention he said it in the most rudest way possible.
Who's in? Are you in?
Yeah, I'm in. I'm just gonna roll down the edge there.
I don't know if my fairings clear it. We'll be over there, Tommy. Yeah, that's fine. Can our bikes do that?
Yeah.
I worry about my lower fairing.
I think we should be fine, but you don't have to try.
Have a good night. Don't even bother, Tommy. Dude. Yo, it's a huge spider. Oh, dude, it's huge.
A what?
A huge spider. Wait. Giant. It's massive.
Let me see.
Right in front of me.
Do it.
Oh, it's huge. Wait, watch what it
Don't do it. Don't do it.
It's
so mean.
I just want it to move.
It's dead, bro.
It's not dead, dude. It's not dead.
Okay, don't step on it, but step beside it.
Okay.
Okay. Let's do this. So I needed to mount my camera somehow so that I can do this next segment that you're about to see. And I had to get a little bit creative with my tripod here. So I can't see my face right now, that's the problem. So it's not tracking me. It's not going to see your face. Point.
It does white boy tracking.
Dude, I'm an alien! How are we going to do this, man?
Okay, so we're having a meetup. Stan, me, Mr. Light Mode, and one more time. Oh, actually, wait, one sec. One sec. Okay. All right, Stan.
Who the hell is that?
We got Kyle. We're doing a meetup, the three of us. Kyle's not here, so
that's Static Rider, that's
there you
Kyle.
go. Yeah.
Obviously, we got me and Thomas here, Stan the Moto Man and Mr. Light Mode, and we are hosting a meet this coming August 17th. That's a Saturday. It's going to be at Tsawwassen Mills South parking lot. I don't really know how to explain that. I'll put a picture up right now.
At noon?
At noon, yeah.
Yeah.
There's a picture right now on the map of the parking lot. It's going to be right here in the corner of the screen, right above my finger. What's Tommy doing back there?
He's being weird.
Talking heads. Okay, that was bad. That was a bad take.
We'll not say that. We won't say that. And Kickstands Up is at 1 p.m.?
1 p.m. Yeah.
Yeah. And
So
we're
we
gonna
get there at 12 p.m. Chill for a little bit, mingle, and then Kickstands Up 1 p.m.
Yeah. Please come out, because we don't want to show up and only have like 4 of you guys there. That would look pretty bad on our Instagram story. So please come. You get to meet him. His helmet will be off or on?
On and then off.
Oh shit!
On and off.
If you want to see his face, come out. But we all know you're all coming for me. So, anyways, I'm out. Peace.
Okay, I'll keep talking for a bit. Shit, what was I gonna say? So yeah, come out and we're gonna have a fun time. It's gonna be a fun ride. It's not gonna be as long as last year. It was about an hour last year, but it's gonna be about 30 minutes. So, and yeah, you get to meet us all and mingle with us and you know, just have a good time. So if you guys are free that day, August 17th, that's a Saturday, 12 p.m. like I said earlier, and we'll see you there. What's going on? Okay, we chilled here for about an hour. Got absolutely nothing done other than the whole talk about the meet. It's time to head home. It's 3:15 a.m. Agent Michael Scarn, put your hands up.
You put it down.
Oh, you're talking about the what's it called? The Office episode where the murderer one. I do declare.
Put down our weaponry on the count of 3.
Okay.
You ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
Alrighty, well that is it for today's motovlog, if you want to call it that. I feel like there's not much done here. This motovlog primarily was to just kind of update you guys with the life choices I made. Whether they be good or bad in your eyes, that doesn't really matter because I'm going to give it a try anyways. But yeah, that's it for today's motovlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!